In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Wix website. Whether you're highlighting a product, sharing a story, or adding a personal touch to your site, incorporating videos can make all the difference. Let's get started on your creative journey. First, make your way over to Wix's website. This is your hub for all things web design. So whether you're new to Wix or a returning user, this is where the magic happens. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, and for those who do, simply log in. It's pretty straightforward, and once you're in, you're greeted with the familiar interface that keeps things user-friendly. Next, open your existing project if you've already been working on a Wix site. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new site. This new project will be the canvas for your video masterpiece. Head on over to the tool panel and look for the small but mighty plus button. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Click on it to reveal a menu of possibilities. From there, you'll want to click on Sections. Sections are blocks of content that you can add to your page, and they are instrumental in building a visually engaging site. In this case, we're interested in sections that support video integration. Under the Quick Add menu, select Video. Here, Wix makes everything convenient by categorizing and presenting elements you can easily implement. Select the video option, and you'll be prompted to decide where and how you want your video displayed. Drag this video element onto your page. When placing it, consider your page's layout and flow. You want your video to complement the design, whether it sits front and center or slightly to the side. Now it's time to load your actual content. Choose your preferred video from your files or upload a new one directly from your device. Wix supports many formats, so you can have a seamless upload experience. This moment of cinematic choice is when you decide what the world will see. With your video on the page, direct your attention to the inspector on the right sidebar. Here, you can configure your video settings, adjusting dimensions, autoplay features, or looping preferences, ensuring your video plays exactly as you envision. Once all settings are fine-tuned, take a moment to preview your site. This step allows you to see the video in action and let you evaluate how it interacts with other site elements. Make adjustments as needed, and when you're satisfied, bask in the satisfaction of having added a dynamic video to your site. And there you have it. Your video is now a part of your website. Simple, yet impactful. Happy editing, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your website stand out.